Our topic is authentic leadership. Before starting the today lecture, just to overview the lecture, authentic leadership description, authentic leadership defined, approach to authentic leadership, practical approach and theoretical approach. How does authentic leadership theory works? In the first part of lectures, we will define and describe the authentic leadership theoretically and practically. Authentic leadership focuses on whether leadership is genuine. Interest in authentic leadership increasing in recent times due to the social upheaval, people longing for trustworthy leaders. Identified earlier in transformational leadership research but not studied separately. Needed evidence based on research of the conflict, and the recent and the past research shows that a empirical and theoretical evidence based research on this area of the conflict. Authentic leaderships defined in perspective of intrapersonal definition, leadership based on self-concept and how self-concept relates to the action as defined in Shamir and Ilom 2005 in your article, relies on the life story of the leader, 3 authentic leadership characteristics, genuine leadership, conviction, original and not copied. The basically the 3 main characteristics of authentic leadership. Interpersonal definition, leadership is created by leaders and followers together. As you know, Actually 2005 and also worked recently on interpersonal definition of the authentic leadership. It is the reciprocal process because the leaders affect the followers and the followers affect the leaders. Developmental definition, leadership can be nurtured and developed over a lifetime. Howell and Gardner 2005 can be triggered by major life events. Leader behavior is grounded in positive psychological qualities and strong ethical grounds. For authentic leadership component, self-awareness, internalized moral perspective, balanced processing, and relational transparency. There are the 4 main authentic leadership components where is applicable in their area. Bill George 2003 and 2004, a practical approach of authentic leadership is defined in your article. Leaders characteristics model. Leaders have genuine desire to serve the others. 5 characteristics of authentic leaders: understand their purpose, strong values, trusting relationship, self-discipline, act from the heart, mean mission of authentic leadership in perspective of practical approach. Now we discuss shortly and briefly authentic leadership characteristics model. The authentic leaders: passion, the outlier, behaviors, connectedness, consistency, compassion, and inner thought, purpose, values, relationship, and self-discipline is the main characteristics which definitely a authentic leadership have to influence their followers. The theoretical approach to authentic leadership's recent research is fueled by Leadership Summit publications 2005-2017. Will also be mentioned in reference materials and the latest studies regarding to the authentic leadership 2017 and 2019. social upheaval, and desire for leadership that serves a common good. Need to explore the meaning of authentic leadership and create the theoretical framework. Need to define the concept of authentic leadership is the main concept, also be the main concept of the research in article 2005 written by Adler. Thank you for today's lecture.